Finviz, Morningstar, and Terminal Investor can all help with stock research, but they solve different problems. Finviz is built for fast market scanning. Morningstar combines research, ratings, and portfolio tools under a trusted institutional brand. Terminal Investor focuses on automating a Graham and Buffett-inspired first pass and delivering a ranked research queue. This comparison looks at workflow, methodology, and output without pretending that one tool is best for every investor. Finviz is a strong choice for investors who enjoy building screens manually and moving quickly between charts, news, and market maps. Its interface exposes many filters at once, which is useful when you already know the factors you want to combine. The trade-off is that the investor still has to design the process, interpret the results, and decide which risks deserve attention. It is a capable workbench rather than a done-for-you research queue. Morningstar is strongest when you value a recognized research brand, analyst commentary, fair value estimates, and deep fund or portfolio information. Human analysis can add valuable industry context that a systematic screen cannot replace. Coverage and update frequency can vary by security, so Morningstar often works best as a thesis validation resource after an investor has identified a candidate worth studying. Terminal Investor is designed for a different bottleneck, consistently narrowing a large market into a manageable research queue. It applies the same quality, solvency, cash flow, and valuation checks to each candidate, explains past and failed criteria, and surfaces risk flags. The goal is not to replace filings or analyst judgment. It is to reduce the time spent finding which companies deserve that deeper work. The clearest difference is workflow. With Finviz, you actively construct and refine the screen. With Morningstar, you look for available analyst research and portfolio context. With Terminal Investor, you schedule the screening process and review the resulting shortlist and reports. Many serious investors can use more than one. Automation for discovery, visual tools for exploration, and analyst research for validation. Methodology also differs. Finviz gives you broad access to data and filters, leaving the scoring logic to you. Morningstar publishes proprietary ratings and analyst estimates backed by its research process. Terminal Investor uses a transparent checklist structure inspired by value investing principles and explains the evidence behind each pass or failure. None of these outputs should be treated as a guaranteed prediction or personalized advice. Choose Finviz if you want a flexible, hands-on screening dashboard. Choose Morningstar if analyst research, funds, and portfolio context are central to your process. Choose Terminal Investor if your main problem is running a disciplined first pass every day without rebuilding the screen manually. The most useful tool is the one that strengthens your process and still leaves you responsible for the final decision. Before paying for any research platform, inspect the actual output. Terminal Investor provides a sample report so you can evaluate the scoring explanations, risk flags, and research depth for yourself. You can also test the automated workflow during the free trial without a card. Use every platform as an input to independent due diligence, not as a substitute for it.